Hey, everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about what types of accounts you can link to Emma. I'm sure many of you are curious about this, as Emma is a great way to manage your finances. But what if you want to use Emma to manage your other accounts, such as your bank account, credit card account, or investment account? In this video, I'll show you how to link different types of accounts to Emma. I'll also discuss the benefits of doing so. So, let's get started. What is Emma? Before we get into the details of linking accounts to Emma, let's take a quick look at what Emma is. Emma is a personal finance app that helps you track your spending, save money, and reach your financial goals. It's a great tool for anyone who wants to get a better handle on their finances. One of the best things about Emma is that it's easy to use. You can set up your account in just a few minutes and start tracking your spending right away. How to link accounts to Emma. Now that we know what Emma is, let's talk about how to link accounts to it. There are two ways to link accounts to Emma. Manually. Using Plaid. Manually linking accounts. To manually link an account to Emma, you will need to provide Emma with your account information, such as your username and password. This is a relatively simple process, but it can be time-consuming if you have a lot of accounts to link. Using Plaid. Plaid is a third-party service that makes it easy to link your accounts to Emma. To use Plaid, you will need to create a Plaid account and then connect your Emma account to your Plaid account. Once you have done this, you can use Plaid to link your other accounts to Emma. Benefits of linking accounts to Emma. There are many benefits to linking your accounts to Emma. Here are a few of the most important. Track your spending in one place. When you link your accounts to Emma, you can see all of your transactions in one place. This makes it easy to track your spending and see where your money is going. Set financial goals and track your progress. Emma can help you set financial goals and track your progress towards those goals. This is a great way to stay motivated and on track. Get personalized advice. Emma can provide you with personalized advice on how to save money and reach your financial goals. This is a great way to get help from a financial expert. Get alerts and notifications. Emma can send you alerts and notifications about your finances. This can help you stay on top of your finances and avoid making mistakes. Types of accounts you can link to Emma. You can link many different types of accounts to Emma, including bank accounts. You can link your checking and savings accounts to Emma. Credit card accounts. You can link your credit card accounts to Emma. Investment accounts. You can link your investment accounts to Emma. Loan accounts. You can link your loan accounts to Emma. Retirement accounts. You can link your retirement accounts to Emma. Once you have linked your accounts to Emma, you can start using it to track your spending, save money, and reach your financial goals. Linking your accounts to Emma is a great way to get a better handle on your finances. It's easy to do and it can provide you with a number of benefits. I hope this video has helped you learn more about how to link accounts to Emma. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And with that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.